Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti, and if you don't know, I am the face and the voice behind all the content here on the channel. Boy, is today a big day. First of all, happy Valentine's Day to everybody who celebrates it for that. I am celebrating Valentine's Day for an entirely different reason. This time last year, I was actually out of town. I may or may not have had content up. Wait, was last Valentine's Day on a Friday? I think it was. Anyway, I was out on a leadership conference thing. I got to tour state prison in Jeff City. That was fun. And, you know, I was really actually kind of depressed around that time, and I thought that maybe going on this leadership conference would be a way to kind of clear my mind, and it ended up being a faith-based leadership conference, which was really, really nice, and the experience I had there was great, and it allowed me to, you know, heal a little bit and start to progress towards more positivity. So I was able to work out of that mind space and into something better. And then 2020 I spent really working and driving my brand and my inventory and things like that. And so now, as some of you may know, if you follow the blog or if you're on the email list, you'll know that this weekend, this Valentine's Day is supposed to be my launch day for my website. So I wanted to share that with my YouTube community too. So I'll be updating my digital business card, my Etsy description, basically anywhere I have all my social media links. So my YouTube description will change just a little bit too as I have my website. Now I started doing a little pre-recording with this. So at this point my website is actually up and ready to go. I am so, I was so excited. I was kind of nervous about diving into it. I'm just like, you know what, should I reschedule? I'm like, no, I'm going to do it today. So I went ahead, I launched it. It's available for viewing, for browsing, and everything like that. So it might take me a little bit to make sure all my ducks are in a row, but it's up, it's live, it's finally live. I started building this website in June of 2018. Looked very different, but it's my baby. I'm excited. I'm so excited. So I'm looking forward for the rest of 2021 actually working with this website, growing it, and just gaining new experiences. Because there's one thing to set up and design these things, but you actually have to kind of see how things work out as it goes along, as time goes on, as far as functionality and things like that. So I'm excited. I have oodles of content on there already. I have most of my inventory up there. So if you want to check that out, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. And I'm going to now disappear back into the void of homework. I appreciate everybody's patience right now. I'm like, you know, I don't think I'll ever, okay, well, how do I want to put that? I don't intend to ever take 7 classes again. We'll put it that way. This has been an interesting experience, but yeah, I guess I'm live. And let's see, I'm going to view my site. So yeah, I'm troubleshooting right now, but I wanted to come out and make that announcement. So until next time guys, happy making.